Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, what up guys? Wow, it's the best intro ever. And that's it.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine.
So hi, I'm Sam, as some of you may know. This is what I call a last minute costume. So I just threw on a shirt and I tied a normal tie into a bow tie, some chunky glasses, and I'm a nerd.
Hi, my name is Christine and I'm dressed up as Spinelli from 1997 show Recess. So I just went to Valley Village and got this leather jacket and paired it with this just long red shirt. And then these tights are also from Valley Village, and this hat was the most expensive part of the costume. It's from Old Navy.
Hi, I'm Julie. I'm a fairy, fairy princess. So I have my wings. I got them on eBay and they're ripped. I have this wand I got from Dollarama and it matches my earrings and my tiara. And because I'm cheap, I also bought my tiara on AliExpress. And then my skirt's from Value Village. Tights, I think Dollarama. And then everything else is just normal clothes I have.
Hey guys, my name's Daniel. It's my lifeguard shirt. It's my whistle. These are my sunglasses. These are my Lululemon shorts. And yeah.
That looks spectacular. Am I filming? Okay. Well, my name's Macy and I'm Sherlock Holmes. This hat is from Urban Outfitters. This scarf is from Givenchy. And this earring, this necklace is 18 karat gold.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
And this trench coat is my mother's. This is from Clomonico. And these are my dad's old pants.
Okay, so I'm Louise Belcher from Bob's Burgers. I got this really cute pink hat and I kind of want to wear it every single day. And then I just had, honestly, this green shirt from American Apparel, and I'm so sure that it kind of just works as a dress. So I was like, why not? And then I got these shoes were in your last video. This morning I actually just did this because Louise Belcher always writes a burger of the day on the board, and then I decided to do the Jack O lentil burger.
Okay, I was supposed to be Candace Flynn for Phineas and Ferb, but unfortunately I could not find a white skirt, so I had to wear my jean skirt instead.
What up, pimps? It's your boy, Post Malone. I'm in the stew just cooking up heat, you know.
Hey, it's Grace again, and for Halloween, I'm Ed from Good Burger. She'll insert a picture if you don't know what Good Burger is. I lost most of my costume, like my friends ate my burger and I don't know where my hat is, so.
I'm Julia, and I am the moon for Halloween. I had a son, my friend Sunny, but she's not here right now, sadly. But yeah, this is my costume.
Me?
What up? No. Shut up. My costume for Halloween is Emperor Cusco. Ignore the shoes. I didn't really answer the prompt for that one. But my costume is Emperor Cusco. And this thing was made out of placemat and a beanie because I couldn't find any yellow things at Walmart. And then this is a giant piece of cloth from Walmart that I bought for $13. And then this is also a placemat, and then I use my gold washi tape. A little story about my costume. I was supposed to do this a week ago. I procrastinate, and then I zoomed to Walmart at 10:30. First, this is supposed to be like a circle, and it looked like a halo, so it was about to be like a saint or like the Virgin Mary. And then my mom heard me at like 12:30, and she was about to yeet my stuff. And the last bit of my costume is this belt. I was digging through my old stuff, and I'm a black belt in Taekwondo. And then I couldn't find any red belts, so I just took this and tied it.
Hey guys, this is what I'm wearing for Halloween today. I had another costume plan. I was gonna be this character from Phineas and Ferb, like Stacy Hirano. She's like a Japanese character. But then the costume looked like really dumb on me, so I just decided to go for this. I wore this last year. It's literally, I just bought an extra large men's construction shirt. I painted on a pumpkin face, and then that's about it, so yeah. And that's all for today's video. I don't really know what to say in outros. I suck at them. I just like, you know, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff if you want. Yeah, thank you for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Wrist looking like it been dipped. Dipping that. Script looking like it been flipped. Flipping that.